time to do an unboxing. Yay! So what am I going to unbox for you today? Yay! I have dun, 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 Cricut Easy Press 2. So I decided to get it in mint. On the side of the box, you'll see it has features. It tells you what the features are. It tells you what's included in the box and what it's recommended for. Obviously, it's a Cricut Easy Press, so it's going to be recommended to go with the other Cricut. Who knew? Okay, on the back of the box, it gives you details about what each part of the machine does, what it's for. You know, the on and off button, the power button, blah, blah, blah. The timer, the handle, the hot plate. I hope that comes with it. I don't know. I didn't even look to see. I'm hoping it comes with it because I don't have that. And then on the side, on the other side, it gives you a little bit more close-up pictures of it. So on the top, it gives you some things that you can make with it. Let's unbox this sucker. Okay. My husband doesn't like it when I do voices because he says, sometimes, Penny, I can't understand what you're saying. And I'm like, but baby, I talk really fast because I'm originally from New York. People can't understand what I'm saying when I'm talking in my own voice. I'm just saying. So, when we unbox the top of it, the very first thing in the top of the box is an envelope. Like most Cricut things. I've only bought 2 Cricut things. My Cricut Easy Maker, whatever it's called. And now it says, let's do this. So, it's sealed with a kiss. That's what I call it. It's got a Cricut emblem sealing the envelope. So let's take a looky-loo inside and see what we've got, shall we? Oh! Alright. Gotta put the glasses back on again. Easy Press 2, register your product. Next in the envelope is dun dun dun. Easy Press 2 welcome book. It's a welcome book. It doesn't say user's manual. It says welcome book. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. And at a glance, instructions, make it last, tips for the longest lasting iron-on transfers. Gives you tips and tricks, alright. Iron-on mantras. As you master the craft, keep these in mind. Okay, that's a fancier way of saying tips and tricks, I think. I don't know. Meet the family. So, like, what else can... Oh, yeah, okay. And it's got the smaller version of what's on the back of this box, telling you what all the different parts of the thing is. So that's nice. Just in case you get rid of the box. How to prepare your material. Some materials, from what I've seen on other video channels, some materials have to be warmed up first, but then cooled back down, and then you transfer it. Apparently, it gets moisture out of the material. Who knew that there would be moisture in a t-shirt? Like, if you buy a brand new t-shirt, there's moisture in it? What? I don't know. I'll read the instructions more thoroughly later, but position it. Make sure you position it once, know where you're going to go before you get there. Because if you get there and you go, oh, I didn't want to go there, and you try to move it, you can end up with what they call ghosting effect, where it moves your iron-on just slightly, so you end up with a blurred vision, a ghosting effect. So you got to be careful with that. Flip and repeat, it says. Then it talks about the big finish and make it last. Iron-on mantras. Mantras? How do you say that? Mantras? Mantras? I don't know. Comment below and tell me. Choice number 1, mantras. Choice number 2, mantras. Comment below. Is it 1 or 2? Alright. Top 6 iron-on techniques and mantras. Mantras sounds right to me. To work by as you master the craft. Keep them on the tip of your tongue to get consistently phenomenal, that's a big word for me, results for every possible project. Set a firm foundation. Press, flip, press. I like that. Press, flip, press. That could be a song. Press, flip, press. Press, flip, press. I'm just saying. Seams, buttons, and bumps. Bumps? Bumps? I don't want bumps in my projects. Do your best to work around pesky seams and embellishments to keep your fabric and designs flat for a perfect press. Love the layer. Multicolor. Teaches you how to do multicolor layers. Awesome. Think about your fabrics. Make sure you use the right fabrics. From what I understand, from what I've heard, if you use the wrong fabric, your stuff won't stick to it. It's a waste of money if it doesn't stick to it, and a waste of your time. So, do it right the first time. You'll save money and time. Ooh. Do it right the first time, save money and time. Okay. I never pretended to be a singer, so don't yell at me for not being a good singer. And the mat, I did purchase one of those. You have to have the mat to protect your surfaces. Okay, so make sure if you pick up the press machine, make sure you pick up the mat. But you can find unbiased videos from people who are not sponsored by Cricut, and they give you honest to goodness, helpful tips and tricks and stuff, because they're not sponsored by Cricut. So those are really good videos to watch too. So you watch both. You watch what Cricut tells you, but then you watch what people who have used Cricut and or other ones, and then give you honest opinions about it. That's why I bought Cricut, because so many good things were talked about with Cricut. I liked it, so that's why I wanted to get Cricut. And this is not sponsored, so don't think I am. No, I'm not. As a matter of fact, I don't have any subscribers right now, so there's no way I'd get sponsored. But hey, hit the subscribe button and help me get sponsored. And I think it's on help.cricut.com that you would go to for the heat temperature guide from the videos that I've watched. There's a Cricut heat temperature guide. So you put in what material you're using, what you're putting it on, and it'll tell you how hot to set your temperature on this thing. It'll tell you for how long to set it and everything. So keep that handy. You need that. What is this? Okay. Oh, a quick start guide. Yay. With pictures. I don't know about you, but pictures always help me. Pictures are definitely worth 1,000 words in my personal opinion. Set the timer and temperature, and then get prepped. Preheat base material, and of course there's more in detailed instructions on that. I'm just reading you the highlights. Number 4 is press, position and press, flip and repeat, the big finish, and congratulations, you did it! Woo! Pictures. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. It even gives you one to start with to try and see if you can do it. Cricut in glitter. The Cricut logo in glitter. I wish I had a bag. I wanted to get a bag, and I totally walked out of the store and forgot to get one. What else is in here? Safety instructions. I read them. Read them. Do as I say, not as I do. Let me put all these back in my envelope so I don't lose anything. Let's close it. Let's close it back up, shall we? I don't want to lose anything. Alright, so that's what's in that envelope. Let's see what else. Remember, I got the mat too. Let's see what else is in the box. Penny, what else is in the box? Packaging to keep it from moving around. Like, you guys really care about that part. Let's see if we can get it out without damaging anything. It comes in a nice little carry-on bag with the handles and the drawstring. Isn't that cute? OM Jeepers! Because I was just thinking, I wonder why they didn't put the logo on there. Because they gave me one to test. I can put... They're so smart and they're so nice to do. I have my first test subject. can't clap with money. And yes, they did provide the hot plate. Hot plate. Hot plate. Hot plate. But, ooh, it's nice too. It's nice and big and sturdy made, and it's not going to bend too much, and it's got big enough legs to set it up off my desk. That's awesome. Awesome. Now, let's take it out of the bag, shall we? Yes, we shall. The cord, of course, comes protected. Nice thick cord, because you need power. From what I understand, it can go up to 400 degrees. Ouch. Trying to remember, don't accidentally touch the hot part. But the mint color machine, let's see what the mint looks like live and in person. On the box, it looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like live and in person. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Comes shrink wrapped, so that way it's protected, because they care about their products. I love Cricut, because you can join their website and have access to a whole bunch of cut files. Ooh, I love the sound of popping new, fresh stuff. Nice. Very nice. Very nice indeed. This is the part that gets hot. Make sure you do not touch that. It's down on this once you start preheating it. Yes, it's nice. It's just nice and dandy. Yes, it does, like an egg in the egg crate. Yes, it does. Look, it don't move nothing. It's got good anti-skid. Look, I'm trying to move it, and it's not moving. It moves a little bit forward and backward, but sideways, it won't move at all. Very good made. I'm so glad they gave me this bag. I like testing my new stuff out. I didn't know how I was going to do it because I forgot to buy one of these, and they gave me one. Let's unpackage the heat mat. Look, it opens up from the bottom. See how it's got a hook? So you can hang it in your craft room. If you have a pegboard, you can hang it up. It opens up from the bottom so you can slide it out. And you can slide it back in there and keep reusing this bag. And protect it. Ooh. There's two sides to this bag. Mat. I don't know if you can see it, but on one side it's a lighter color gray. On the other side it's a darker color gray. And let's see what it says here. Oh, it's upside down. So the darker side, which has the writing on it, it says right on there, the very first thing is, this side down. Got it. This side down. Perfect. And it says, do not wash. Do not tumble dry. Do not bleach. Alright? And then it's written in Spanish or French. I don't know. Now, even though I forgot to get myself a bag, and they gave me one, I'm so happy about that. I did remember to pick up, BAM! These come in round or square. The square, you only get 2 in a package. Why 2? The circles, you get 4. And they're both the same price. So, why would anybody get the squares? You get more bang for your buck if you get the circles. Especially if you're planning on selling them. Because most people, when they buy coasters, they want to buy a set of 4, not 2. That, I even remembered to get me Infusible Ink pens. I also bought Infusible Ink sheets. So, let's open this up. I think there's 2 sheets in here. I don't know. I've never bought this before. Oh, you get a really good unboxing in a dark room. It comes in its own dark room. Butcher paper. It comes with the butcher paper, which you need. I'm putting it back in its own little dark room because I don't want it to get ruined. If you have a pegboard again, it has its own little hook, just like your mat does. If you put it back in the box, you can rehang it back up. So that's good there. Heat resistant tape. It keeps your project from moving. The heat resistant tape is specifically made for these types of machines that can get up to 400.